Hi everybody, this is Josh. Let's look at the difference between frame and group in Gravit Designer. I'll explain. Okay, so I just have a few elements here on my canvas. I've just pasted in an image from Unsplash here, this beautiful picture of a mountain. And what I want to do is create a header like for a website, like a big cover photo. And I just want to show you a very, very quick way of being able to do that. You don't even have to get into cropping and all that kind of stuff. You can if you want. Just double click and it brings in the cropping feature, and you can see that you can crop and move things around until you have the desired result. But I want to show you something that's maybe a little bit more flexible and even faster. So I'm just going to move this onto my canvas. I've already sized it to be the width of my canvas here. And what I'm going to do is just do a Control-G on the keyboard, which puts this into a group. Now, the only thing in the group is the image. But when it's in a group, I have the option over here in the inspector panel to change this behavior from being grouped or to a frame. Now, let me just show you what the difference is. While it's in a group, if I grab any of my handles here and start to drag, you can see it's actually going to squash this image. It's trying to resize it. If I hold Shift, it will do that proportionally, which is a little better. But what I really want to do is anything that would be inside this group, I want it to be like a clipping mask. So I can change that to frame. Okay. Now, when I grab these handles, it will work just like if I was cropping that image. But the great thing about this is anything in this group will have that same behavior. So let me go ahead and rename this group in the layers panel. I'll call it my header. And I've got a couple of other elements here, and I'm going to drag those into my header as well. There we go. And I'll just move them onto the canvas like so. Now with that header group selected, I'll make sure it's still on frame. And as I drag these handles out, you can see it's even cropping that button and headline inside this header frame. What's great about this is being able to quickly create things and contain things. So this is acting as a container, or in Gravit Designer, it calls it a frame. So I can put several things into a group and change the behavior of that group. So if I start to resize the entire group, it's just going to resize the container, not shrink anything inside of it. And this is actually a really powerful feature, especially for UI design or UX design, creating websites or mock-ups for mobile designs. I can always click and click again inside my group, or select what I want to change in my layers panel over here, like the image, and adjust it here. So maybe I want to bring this image up a little bit, and then make sure I just have the header selected, or that group layer, which is now on the frame behavior. And then I can continue getting this just where I want it. It'd be something like that. So this is a quick way of being able to contain or control the bounding box, or another way of seeing this is like as a clipping mask. But a very quick and easy way of doing that is just to change the behavior of that group in this drop down. I hope that's helpful to you. If you have any comments or questions, make sure you leave them on this video. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.